belly fat is frustratingly easy to gain but difficult to lose, and surgery is the only proven method for spot reduction. For many people, belly fat is a regular source of worry. It's aggravating how easy it is to win, but how difficult it is to lose. No matter how hard you train or how healthy you eat, your belly fat just doesn't seem to go away. Unfortunately, there's no effective way to identify and reduce belly fat without surgery. However, there is a very useful activity that is sometimes overlooked. I'm going to explain this workout today along with some tips on how to incorporate it immediately into your daily routine. Genetics play a significant role in the difficulty of reducing belly fat, but there is a solution. First, let's discuss the causes of recalcitrant belly fat before moving on to the treatment. In 1997, Dr. Bouchard made the important discovery that a considerable proportion of the body's resistance to fat reduction could be attributed to heredity. While some people naturally have less abdominal fat, genetics generally favors abdominal fat loss last. If you want a small, slim midsection, it may seem overwhelming that genetics are fighting against you. However, there is a remedy. Creating a caloric deficit through nutrition is essential for losing fat, including belly fat. Creating a caloric deficit is the key to losing fat, even belly fat. You'll end up losing weight if you continually expend more calories than you consume each day. Even if your genetics make it more difficult to lose belly fat, if you maintain this deficit for a long enough period, you'll lose extra body fat from all parts of your body. A caloric deficit must primarily be achieved through nutrition, but adding extra activity can speed up the process and ensure continued fat loss even when your metabolism slows down. Popular cardio exercises like running can effectively burn calories and contribute to belly fat reduction. You may already be familiar with popular exercises such as jogging, rowing, cycling, or high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which are frequently suggested for burning calories and quickly reducing belly fat. These cardio exercises really do burn calories fast, making them excellent for reducing belly fat. For example, a 170-pound person running at a moderate pace of 6 miles per hour can burn an extra 12 calories per minute, according to an exercise compendium. 3 times a week, a 30-minute run would result in a net loss of around 360 calories. This would translate into an additional 16 pounds of fat loss over the course of a year if done consistently. Despite the effectiveness of traditional cardio exercises, many people struggle to maintain them long-term, leading to a loss of progress. While this may sound appealing, the majority of individuals really struggle to continue standard cardio exercise for the length of time required to significantly reduce fat in troublesome areas. Studies have shown that even when subjects receive specific sessions, cardio dropout rates can average as high as 20%. These techniques work, it's not that they don't. Running and HIIT workouts have been used by many people to develop a lean physique. However, these vigorous cardio workouts can be physically taxing, drain willpower, and cause fatigue and stiffness. This often makes them unsustainable over time, leading many people to give up and lose the progress they had made. Walking, while not as calorie-burning as intense exercises, is effective for reducing body fat and can be sustained long-term. At this stage, walking becomes a highly effective but underestimated form of cardio. Walking has many benefits, even if it doesn't burn as many calories as running or HIIT exercise. A 2021 meta-analysis entitled Slow and Steady or Hard and Fast concluded that shorter, less intense cardio exercises like walking are more effective at reducing body fat than longer, more intense exercises like running. Your body doesn't distinguish between calories burned while walking and those burned during intense aerobic training. The key to success is consistency, and most people can walk regularly for the rest of their lives. Although walking may not burn as many calories as intense workouts, it can still contribute to significant fat loss when done consistently. You might be dubious, thinking that walking won't significantly affect your ability to lose fat or give you a six-pack because it doesn't burn enough calories. But when you count the numbers, you'll see that walking can burn many calories. For example, a 170-pound person can burn about 3.4 calories per minute when walking leisurely at 3 miles per hour, adding up to about 200 calories per hour. An extra hour of walking 3 days a week would result in a weekly caloric expenditure of 600 calories. This equates to an additional 31,200 calories burned over a year, corresponding to a fat loss of around 9 pounds. Incorporating brisk walking into your routine and gradually increasing your step count can lead to significant fat loss and improved health. This is consistent with research in which participants lost an additional 3.5 pounds of fat over 12 weeks by adding just 2.5 hours of brisk walking per week. You don't have to walk all at once. It could gradually become part of your regular schedule. Set reasonable goals for increasing your current step count once you've determined it. For example, strive to increase your daily step count by 2,000 by including 2 10-minute walks. Once you've done this consistently, steadily increase your daily step count to at least 8,000 or possibly 15,000 steps for the best fat reduction and health results. Incorporating small adjustments, such as parking further away or using stairs, can increase step count and lead to significant fat loss. It's not difficult to incorporate walking into your daily routine. You can park further away, drive further to get to your destination, walk on an incline for 10 minutes after workouts, walk for 10 minutes after every meal, use the stairs instead of the elevator, and listen to music while you walk. Play podcasts while you move. Even at the office, an extra 5 minutes of walking per hour can result in an annual fat loss of more than 9 pounds. You'll be amazed at the impact of these small adjustments on your step count and fat reduction. While walking and exercise support fat loss, a healthy diet is essential for achieving and maximizing results. It's crucial to bear in mind that walking, or any other type of cardio, only helps you lose fat when accompanied by a healthy diet. Even if it speeds up the process, eating is the main way to produce a calorie deficit. The foundation should be your food, and the addition of exercise should support it. You can achieve your goals and maximize fat reduction by using both elements effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.